guarding the doors. And VBS is just ahead. One more week to get good and ready. Make sure your children and the neighbor children are enrolled. Interested in helping? Give Teddy or the church office a call.
Is that all?
Wait, no. We will break down. Wait.
We're breaking up?
No.
Breaking down? Break dance.
I am excited about being able to share this scripture with you. Vacation Bible School. We are working hard to get ready for VBS next month. So we are looking for volunteers with all kinds of skills for our team.
And then what do you say? Oh, you gotta get a drink of water.
We're looking forward to volunteers with all kinds of skills for our team. Sign up today in the lobby to help out. Or email Miss Teddy. Also, don't forget to register your kiddos and tell your friends.
You already said that.
No, I didn't.
Oh.